Every newly qualified teacher in Wales will have used the Professional Learning Passport as part of their statutory induction process. However, it offers many more benefits which can be realised by the wider workforce. My name is Darren Long. I'm a Teacher Development Officer for Port Talbot Council. The PLP is not just an IT solution, it has been specifically designed to enable practitioners to reflect upon their own practice in relation to the professional standards. Before the PLP was introduced, schools had a variety of approaches and required practitioners to copy and paste between various documents such as the professional standards and didn't automatically follow the practitioner throughout their career. That process is time-consuming and laborious. The PLP allows practitioners to store all of their professional learning within one place. It allows them to tag experiences against the professional standards and continues with the practitioner throughout their career. So if a colleague moves school, the PLP would go with them, giving them agency of their own professional learning. The great thing about the PLP is it can be tailored to meet your needs. For example, we've recently introduced professional development review templates to the platform. It makes it easy for practitioners to link their professional experiences with assets such as PDF files, word processed documents, and photographs, which can be ultimately referred to within professional development review conversations. They've been well received by hundreds of colleagues within our local authority, as it saves them time and it allows them to save all of their professional learning in one place. Despite having used the PLP for many years, I didn't realise how much else it could provide. I've been impressed with EWC and how willing they are to work directly with schools and local authorities to tailor the platform at no additional cost.